The most common reason for your number pad keys not functioning is simply that the numlock key has not been activated. Try pressing the numlock key once and see if this resolves the problem. In most instances, this is the solution. If activating numlock does not resolve the issue, the next step is to ensure your Windows operating system is up to date. To do this, right-click on your Start button, select Settings from the menu, navigate to the Windows Update section, and then click on Check for Updates. If updating Windows does not fix the problem, we will proceed to troubleshoot your keyboard drivers. Open your Windows search bar and type Device Manager. Select Device Manager from the search results to open the application. In the Device Manager window, expand the list for keyboards. You will likely see multiple keyboard entries. Right-click on the first keyboard entry and select Update Driver, then choose Search Automatically for Drivers. Repeat this process for the second keyboard entry by right-clicking on it and selecting Update Driver, followed by Search Automatically for Drivers. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.